Actually, people think I'm joking because I reported I'm coming to Johannesburg.
Yeah.
And they're like, no, it's April Fool's Day. Let's see tomorrow.
Okay.
But since I'm live on Jozi FM, they might believe.
Good, yeah, no.
Because actually, she's here.
Yeah. Mara wenzangi live most. Because they can see like delay live abantu banokuyenza.
Bana?
Delay live?
Yes.
Yeah, awenzanga yona.
No, not even.
So it's a live.
It's literally a live where people get to see what's going on at that very moment.
Okay, everyone ohlala la uyazi-introduce ukuthi who you are.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this is the part where I introduce myself.
This is how we do it today here.
Yes.
It's a special day today in Senza kanjani. It's a special broadcast, so do that.
So igama uPhenny Ntuli all the way from KZN. Thina siqhamuke eMthwalume emabheleni kondlela kaSompisi Komphemba. And I'm actually honored to be here today because I heard ukuthi people are visiting their loved ones.
Yes.
It's a bittersweet moment for me because it's actually my first time experiencing Johannesburg today.
Okay.
But to see people celebrating their loved ones is not really a normal thing. Ngala. So for them to embrace it today like this, I'm honored to be part of it. No, niyaphila. And it's a different environment because so whenever I miss my dad, I just go and say hi.
Somewhere. Yeah, so it's a special day for us, like
yes.
Yeah, because we'll today we come and visit them. Let's clean a match,
yes.
You know.
And there's a long queue. We've been in the queue with cars coming in. I think it was like 45 minutes.
45 minutes in line.
You meaning
or just one day?
Maybe a month or two.
Okay.
So boring.
Sawubona ke Phenny Ntuli.
Sawubona kunjani? Joms. Angza? Yes, and they're pretty much listening to Jozi Fm on DSTV right now. Yes.
Bafuna ukuthi ngempela ufikile.
Is she there?
Wathi nje mamelani ma.
Yes, I had to plug them in.
Ukuthi ngempela ngifikile.
Yes.
Ngempela ngiseGoli.
Yeah.
NgiseJozi.
So you say Jozi?
Yeah.
So if you're in KZN into Uganda ziyaduma.
Bamntana bendele na. Kama sinyaphile kuphela.
Yeah.
Inyama kayipheli kuphela amazinyo endoda.
But you still have your teeth.
And mahle kanjani? Uyawabona na. Akubuzwa futhi.
Yes.
Akubuzwa.
Yeah, but I'm very honored to be here.
No,
hopefully it's going to be a beautiful stay.
It should be.
It should be. It must be.
It must. It has no choice. The stay has no choice. It just make it. It must just make it happen.
Yep.
Anyway, once again, welcome to Jozi Fm. We hope to see and hear you often and every day.
I'm hoping to hear myself too. I'm also looking forward to the presenter search.
Yes.
That's happening next week between the 9th and 10th of April.
Oh, you are aware of it?
Of course.
You know I ask God.
Ngiyayazi into engidingayo.
Kodwa efuna sifihle ngathi sesiveza konke. Siyabonga mina sesiqedile la. We are 5 minutes away from the end of the show. I want to say thanks to everyone. Happy birthday to John Masugu was here. It was his birthday today. Thank you so very much to everyone who made it through, and to those who are still coming through. Siyabonga for responding to the call. Buti siyabakhumbuла, siyabathanda. Their bodies are just gone, but their spirits and the memories they will live on forever and ever. Ngicela banikhanyisele ngasonke isikhathi lani khona bakingi babe nani banilethele ukuthula nokukhanya babe zingelozi ezimfamona zingaphumeleli laba banifisela okubi bangaphumeleli. Yama 2.8 ngeke sikhulume namhlanje. Ngiyakudlulisa nje lowo just by the way. Ngeke sikhuluma sizelanga logo. Until you meet again. Have yourself a blessed one, and we're gonna go back to the studio. Ngemva kwalena. Then what? Are we done? In fact, are we okay? Yeah. Yeah, when it be like us in the ngizele amathungu. Ngiyazi abantu osakazela. I've been really trying.